Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And I'm sorry guys that I made this video for a long time. That's because my memory is full. So when I play Minecraft, when it is when it updated, it deleted all of my world. Look at this. But the Minecon Cape is now. You have to delete Minecraft so you can so that can have the cape. Well, not exactly. You have to delete Minecraft, then go to Aptoid and download Minecraft. Don't worry guys about the payment. Minecraft is for free in Aptoid. So as you can know, there's capes. Look, there's capes and the other ones too. The other ones. So I kinda like this cape. So yeah. So I'm gonna make a new world because all of my words got deleted. No reason. Behavior bugs. This is the new update, guys. Settings has been changed. Look, the global resources, and now, and you can also get commands now, guys. No, yeah. Infiltrate. Town to pie. Tom pay. You gotta be kidding me. Treehouse. Always a treehouse when it's spruce. Me. Oh my god. No. I haven't played Minecraft for a while guys, but it's been a long time. By the way guys, leave a comment down below if you guys should think about I'm gonna play a new game. Yeah. Leave a like and a comment, subscribe, tell your friends. Now it's time to get the business. Treehouse! Always a treehouse. Always a treehouse. Ming. Bing! Bing! Time to build. Time to build. These seeds. As you can see guys, in the next video I'm gonna visit my cousin's world because I we decided we decided to to create a new world, and I'm making arcade in his new world. Boobang! Gonna pick the right one. This too small. This will be enough. All I need to do is stay right in this area. Wait until I get some iron and swoop up the lava and straight to building. Boom. Straight to building, my newbies. My newbies. Yeah. I'm gonna make my base. This will do it. Building. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, the destroyer is Ah. Come on. Dang it. We're gonna build a simple treehouse. Just like that. Those skills. By the way, guys, I know I had some school, but my classmate got a YouTube name too, and his name is Hans, and he won't tell me his YouTube channel. Come on. Yeah, Matrix style. Hopefully I can reach this. Reach that. Come on! You! Come on! Yes. There's the Peckalicious. Yeah! This is the new beginning, guys. New beginning. A new beginning. Time to build a tree house. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, perfect. Gotta be in match, guys. I want to get in a higher gun so I can see everything. Probably clear out all of these trees. So, alright. Yo. Alright, time to clear some trees. Boom! Wait, because I'm doing this video, guys, because I get a free time. And November 7, I think, to November 7, no, I have no class. Yeah, I think that's what our teacher said. Kaboosh! Come on, hurry up, stupid ducks. Oh my god, it's taking forever. Feckalicious. More wood. That. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Think that's it, yeah. Oh my god, why did I do that? No! Reach. But guys, I'm building up a secret room. I almost pull up. No. One more. Come on. You kill that chicken for food. Kill. Oh, it's a bunny. Please be a chick. Please. I'm gonna make this a pet of. If this is a chick. Now I'm not saying that, guys. Boom. Boom, I think. Boom. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No! Hush. 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 Hish. Hush. Hush. Yeah. Straight ninja kill. Yeah. Boom. 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 Yo, come on. You gotta be kidding me. Boom. 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 Miss. Oh my god. Oh! No, boy. I hate trees. Oh my god. Please don't rain. Please don't rain. You. Well, that's it for episode 1, guys. I think I'm gonna do this in season 2. Season 1, not much really gonna. What is this? Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. Oh my god, see you next episode, guys. Take care. Boo!